Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students and welcome back again. My dear students, today we will learn about enzymes, digestion as a chemical reaction and a catalyst. My dear students, in our previous videos we have talked about the digestion and we have talked about the teeth. In the lesson of digestion, we have studied that the digestion is of two types. One type is a mechanical digestion and the other is a chemical digestion. And as we all know that during the mechanical digestion, the food is simply broken down into simple pieces. But during the chemical digestion, the nutrients present within the food, they are broken down chemically. They changes from one type of nutrient to another type of nutrient so that they can be absorbed by our body and can be used in different metabolic processes. My dear students, up till now we have studied about the mechanical digestion and we have talked about the teeth and different types of teeth and the structure of the teeth. But today we are moving forward to the other type of digestion, that is the chemical digestion. And during that chemical digestion, what kind of chemicals are needed and what happens during the digestion whenever there is chemical digestion occurring within our body. My dear students, starting with the first one, that is the enzymes. My dear students, in the chemical digestion, the nutrients present in our food, they are broken down chemically from one type to another type with the help of these enzymes. My dear students, these enzymes are really important in chemical digestion. My dear students, enzymes are basically the chemical substances which break down the large food molecules or the large nutrients of the food into smaller nutrients of the food so that they can be absorbed. Here you can see in this picture, if we take an example of the bread, and that bread contains the main type of nutrients like protein, fat and carbohydrates. These nutrients, proteins, fats and carbohydrates, they are the larger molecules. They need to be broken down into the smaller molecules, and these are broken down with the help of enzymes. Like enzymes act on the proteins and they changes it chemically from protein to amino acids, and enzyme act on the fats and these enzymes act on the fats and they changes it chemically into the fatty acids, which are the smaller molecules of the fats. And enzymes acts on the carbohydrates and they break down into the smaller molecules, which are the sugars. So my dear students, enzymes are basically they are really important in the chemical digestion, because if they are not present, the nutrients, proteins, fats and carbohydrates, they would not be absorbed in our body. So that was all about the enzymes, right? You get the idea. Let's take an overview that digestion as a chemical reaction. My dear students, as I have told you earlier that the digestion is of two types. One kind is a mechanical digestion and other kind is the chemical digestion. In the chemical digestion, that means chemical reaction takes place. That means if we talk about the starch is the one kind of carbohydrate which is present in our food. Taking an example of starch is a large molecule which is present in our food, and that starch molecule changes chemically from starch to sugar in the presence of enzyme. That starch molecule changes from starch to sugar, from one type of chemical to another type of chemical with the help of enzyme. This is what chemical digestion is. So my dear students, digestion is a chemical reaction, and in that chemical reaction one type of macronutrient is broken down into another kind of micronutrient so that it could be absorbed into our body. My dear students, moving towards our last topic, that is the catalyst. My dear students, catalyst is any substance which speed up the chemical reaction, but it does not use in that chemical reaction. So why are we talking about the catalyst? Because enzymes are the biological catalysts, as they are not being used in the chemical reaction, but they speed up the chemical reaction. My dear students, here you can see in this picture that starch molecule is fitted into the enzyme, and that enzyme just simply break down the starch into the sugars. But here you can see the structure of the enzyme remains the same. So that enzyme does not use in the chemical reaction, but it just speed up the chemical reaction. My dear students, enzymes are the biological catalysts which speed up the chemical reaction in our body, so that all the metabolic processes occur efficiently, and we can work efficiently. My dear students, that was all about today's lecture. I hope you have got the idea and the concept about the lecture. In the next lesson, we'll talk about the whole summary of that chapter we have covered up till now. Till then, take care of yourselves and the people around you. Allah Hafiz.